Welcome back everyone to the channel. So today is a very special video. We are revealing my new carbon fiber exterior package. So I got this fully installed last weekend. A big thanks to my best friend Matt for helping with the install, and also a huge shout out to UNIT17 UK and US for supplying me with these carbon fiber parts for my M4. The car looks so much more aggressive and it looks amazing. I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a short cinematic of the reveal, and then after that, I'm gonna go over exactly what parts I got installed on the car and some of the parts that still need to be installed. I'll show you guys what's left. But other than that, it's pretty much exactly how I want it to look like, and I'm so excited. So let's not wait further. Let's see what my new G82 M4 looks like with the carbon fiber exterior package. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the cinematic of the G82 M4 carbon fiber exterior package. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over in detail of exactly what I got. So first off, in the front, I got a brand new carbon fiber front splitter. So that goes over the original black parts that were on there. So that just slips right over in carbon fiber. And then you have the carbon fiber lip. Then you have this little aggressive point right here. I don't know if you can see it. I really like that a lot. It doesn't come out too much. I actually like it a lot. I'm gonna do a full review of the package for another video, but this is exactly what I got installed. And then you have the other part with carbon fiber. So you have the full carbon fiber lip all around. Overall, makes the car look so much more aggressive. I do like this lip a lot. The one thing that I didn't get installed, which I was mentioning, was the air duct. So right here where you can see kind of like the chicken grill, as I call it, that's gonna be a carbon fiber air duct. It's gonna be installed next week, so I'll be doing a video on that. But those are here and they're gonna be installed very soon. The other thing that I didn't get installed, which is the last part, is the carbon fiber mirror cap. So right now it's just gloss black from factory, but that's gonna be upgraded to carbon fiber very, very soon. Moving along the side of the car, we do have new carbon fiber, basically emblem parts on the side. They're not vents, they just kind of look like they're vents. So this is full carbon fiber. It looks great. The only thing that's missing is the badge, the M4 competition badge. I have to get that installed, but that is on the side, full carbon fiber, and I think it looks perfect with this aventurine red. And then, of course, I guess the star of the show is this carbon fiber side skirt all the way to the back of the car, and you can see it does have the M Performance fin, as I call it. And I think, you know, a lot of people, I'll say what other people think. So a lot of other people are like, it's too aggressive, and I kind of agree with them. But in a way, in person, it actually looks so good. Like, it looks perfect, especially on this aventurine red. The carbon fiber exterior package looks amazing, especially with the black wheels. But I actually really do like this winglet on the end. You could get full carbon fiber side skirt without the winglet, but I think it matches the car, and I think I like it a lot. And then moving towards the back, you have another winglet. So this is the, I guess, like near the rear diffuser. They have a carbon fiber, like little side skirt thing that I guess you would call it. And like I said, you can get that without a wing, but I did get it with a wing, and I think it suits it, especially if you're gonna get a wing up front. You do need a wing in the back. And if you look at it from this angle, it just looks so aggressive. I think it looks good. I really like the winglet. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the winglet. Should I have just gotten carbon fiber without the winglets, or do you guys like the winglets? Moving along even further, we have the new rear wing, which has an aggressive look to it. It does have a little bit of a high rise, I would say, and it's pretty thick on the trunk. I don't like how it looks like from this angle because it looks a little too thick, but from this angle over here, oh man, it looks so aggressive. And then as you move back and you look further from the car, it suits the carbon fiber package because with the winglets, you do need an aggressive wing, and I didn't want to drill holes for the M Performance wing. So I got this one, and I think it looks great. I really do think it suits the car perfectly. I was running out of breath, so I had to stop the camera and restart it. The next thing that I got in the rear is the carbon fiber diffuser. This is a must for a G82 M4. If you don't install carbon fiber parts anywhere else, at least get the carbon fiber diffuser because you get this new fin right in the middle, makes it look more aggressive, and I think the gloss black just kind of looks chintzy and like cheap. So if you're not getting anything else, make sure you get a carbon fiber diffuser because it looks great. And of course, the other side exactly the same. You do have the winglets on the side skirt and the rear little diffuser thing. So the one thing to note is that this car with the carbon fiber parts is basically a one-to-one install. There really wasn't many issues with install, and they just went right in. That's what's great about Unit 17 carbon, is that it just goes in and boom, you're done. So if you're looking to get carbon fiber parts, definitely check out Unit 17 UK because wow, it really changed the look of this M4, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. So guys, that wraps up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the carbon fiber exterior package that I got installed on my G82 M4. I personally love it. I don't think I'm going to change it anytime soon because I think it looks, seriously, it looks so aggressive on the road. But yeah, let me know your thoughts below. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel as there's a lot more videos on this car and other cars coming very soon. Thanks for watching.